The company Gluestream presents the production cycle of composite sandwich panels for caravans, refrigerated vehicles, isothermal bodies, and other transport units. This is a complex process that demands high quality and professionalism, placing high requirements on the organization of the production process and the equipment used. If you aim for a high-quality product, the entire process must be very precise and careful. We introduced the company IPM Mondia, which has been manufacturing these panels and refrigerator units for many years. We are pleased to inform you that Gluestream is also part of this process. Our equipment is used in the cycle of applying 3-component polyurethane adhesive, ensuring precise and uniform application in the production cycle of sandwich panels. We are a customer-oriented company that manufactures equipment on demand based on the requirements of a specific production process. We can integrate our systems into the production facilities of a specific customer, developing or co-developing technological processes that meet high standards and ensure the quality of panel bonding. Contact us and we will help you to create a technological process.